Let's look at a few other entry triggers on this chart. So on the left here, it's the daily chart. On the right is the 4-hour time frame. So we already talked about the reversal type of candlestick to enter, but also consider a 2 or a 3 candlestick pattern. So on the left, on the daily chart, number 1, price pulls into our zone. And we want to see the low taken out of that candle, which does happen on this chart at number 2. Now, number 2, this could actually be our entry candle if the close of number 2 would have closed higher than the close of the first candle. Number 3, this is actually the entry trigger, as this closing price does close higher than the candle at number 1. Okay. Now, on the 4-hour chart, at number 4, we can enter on the break of a trend line. At number 5, we can enter when price closes above the 50 for a long setup, which is that black line. Or at number 6, we can enter when price closes above the 20, as long as we are still inside our blue zone. So the key is to see price pull back into our blue zone, and then we look for a trade entry trigger. Now let's take a look at an FX market. And I know a lot of traders look at that. And this is a daily chart of euro, and it's more of a swing trading time frame. And on the left of the chart, price is pulling into our zone and our legitimate setups. And you may decide to use a daily time frame or use a lower time frame for your entries. So the averages cross to the upside, and now we start to see a separation in the averages. Well, you can just look at price, and you can see there's some momentum in the price and a strong trend. So a long trade setup occurs, and you would use a trade trigger to enter that trade. On the right side of the chart, our rule of only taking trades when your entry is inside the blue 1 ATR zone keeps you from buying the highs of this market. There is one section that's marked by the green arrow where we do have an entry. Price actually moves 167 pips from that zone. More if you actually use a lower time frame. And that gives you enough room to manage